In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this dodecahedron worm mesh in Blender. Shift-A to create a new math object called regular solid, and change to dodecahedron like this. If you don't see the math category in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Tab to go to edit mode. We need to bevel the vertices. We need to press Shift, Ctrl, and B together to bevel the vertices. Let's deselect everything, type 3 to face select, and shift select the smaller faces like this. Alt-E to extrude along normals. We need to add two material. The first one will have a reflective material, and the second one will have the emission shader. Please change the render engine to Eevee and activate Bloom. For the emission shader, I'll add the usual random color nodes like this. I'll share the fully zoomed nodes shortly. Here are the nodes. Let's add the array modifier. We need to add a curve point. Please remember to select 3D and type E to extrude. Type A, V, and A to smooth the curve. Shift-D to duplicate, and Enter to settle. Let's do that 2 more times. We need to select the curve, and duplicate it 4 times as well. This process is needed to have unique poses for each worm. Let's assign a new curve to each duplicated mesh. Now we can select each curve, go to Edit mode, and modify the curve shape. Let's duplicate one more set of objects. I'll show you what happens when we separate the arrayed meshes. Let's apply the modifiers, Tab, to go to Edit mode, and P, to separate by loose parts. Once we separate the meshes, each mesh gets a random emission color. Let's go to Compositing and connect the image nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.